forgot to bring my camera. To take a picture.
And what's his name again?
Orbit.
This is a disaster. We were trying to film it and
Film what?
this.
This?
This.
Oh, this is Orbit. Say hi, Orbit.
This is Orbit. He's getting a number 7 lion, but I think we're going to leave his tail. We're just going to scissor his
Just a
tail.
little bit, yeah.
Or you do want the lion tail scissor with the tuft at the end?
Just a little tiny bit at the end, or take it all off?
I would never take it all off. It
Okay.
looks like a rat.
Okay.
Sean, will you please give me a new
I
battery?
cannot believe I forgot my
What?
A battery.
phone. Can you take a picture and send it to me
Of course.
of all this hair?
Of course. We're filming this here.
Oh, okay, Orbit, you're getting filmed. So say hi, Orbit. You can be good, see? I got treats for you. Do you
Thank
come-
you.
Yeah. And all this long hair you got in front. And my niece and my sister, they took care of him. But she brushed him every day. They like his hair long. I don't like his hair long.
Well, that's the most important thing. He's got to be like you like him. He wants to make mommy happy.
You happy?
So we're using a 10 blade on Orbit. His mother is here, helping Orbit through this emotional situation. He seems very calm and cool.
Even when they gave him baths, he likes baths, you know. Some places give him baths. No, Orbit. And they said, Orbit is always so good. He's so good. You do, Orbit. Smile with the camera.
So we're using a 10 blade.
Oh,
And
my.
we're going to do the easy part first. We're not really holding him, we're just letting him crouch here in a comfortable position. And I'm going to go ahead and do everything I can before he gets upset. Cats last usually about 30 minutes before their timer goes off and they've had it. So we try to get anything done that we're going to do, whether we're giving them a lion cut or a summer cut or just a comb out. We try to get it done within 30 minutes. That way they're in and out, much less stressful for them. Cats always do better when their owners stay with them. Dogs are the opposite. I won't let an owner stay for a dog groom, but I require that the owner stay for cats.
Okay.
I was just telling Orbit's mom, we try to avoid bathing cats because cats are very clean animals. They have a natural deodorizer and a natural degreaser in their saliva. So if you've ever noticed, cats don't ever smell bad. You can just stick your nose right in their fur and it doesn't ever smell bad. Like a dog would or like we would. We didn't ever take a bath. But so unless a cat has a health problem, we try to avoid that. The health problems I'm talking about are sometimes cats are too overweight and they can't reach their fanny to clean it. So they've got issues back there that have to be dealt with soap and water. Or sometimes they get into a bad situation like fireplace soot or motor oil or some other thing that they can't clean up themselves, or you don't want them cleaning up themselves. Okay, now I'm making this mane even both way, all the way around. And you want to leave this on the scissor disc, right?
Scissor that to make it a nice little round cut.
Okay.
You know?
So he's gonna have a little lion mane.
Look, just a little one. There, Orbit. See?
Orbit's being a very sweet boy. What a
Orbit's
gentleman.
spoiled. You
That's
like
the way
it?
they are.
I have treats for you when we get done, Orbit. You good, Orbit?
Okay, now let's slide Orbit around here. I'm going to
Now you're skinny again, Orbit.
so we can make me skinny by giving
Now
me a
you
haircut.
hold him up?
Nope. Oh, that's good. That's good. Perfect.
Let's
Don't-
hear let me hold him up. Yes. He'll even let me stand
Watch
him
your
up.
finger. Watch your finger.
He'll let me stand him up too.
Orbit, you're being such a good boy. Thank you so much. Just keep it up, Orbit. Keep it up. Okay.
Now what? You mean
Now,
stand up?
nope, Orbit's not mad yet, so I'm gonna do the
Orbit,
sharp
I
end.
have a treat. You want a
I'm
treat?
gonna do the sharp end first. I'm gonna
Make it pretty.
scissor this mane a little bit and blend it in. Make it look like a hoot owl. I'm gonna do my best not to cut his whiskers. Watch your hands.
Alright, Orbit, you're okay. Good. You're doing so good.
That helps a lot when you talk to him.
You're doing so good.
Soothes him, makes him feel
Yeah.
secure.
And I have treats for you. When we get done here.
Watch your hands. I don't want to cut you.
Look at this hair. See all this pretty long hair? My sister's like, you're gonna cut his hair?
Oh, he's gonna look so handsome.
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna be king of the beasts,
But she's like,
lion of his house.
She's like, I don't want to cut his hair. Except he still look nice.
Yes, he will.
And then snowbirds, you know? So we're in an RV. So when he shakes with all this hair.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do the hard part.
Okay. So I can hold him up if you
I'm
want.
gonna get you.
Okay.
No. Listen to me. I'm gonna get you to hold this foot and tail.
Hold his foot.
That's
one,
foot and tail.
Robert, right there.
And then I'm gonna put him on his shoulder here.
Okay.
And I want you to slide your hand up under his chin.
Okay.
Under his chin.
Under his
Good.
chin. He
Just
likes
keep
being
him,
rubbed.
keep him kind of stretched out a little bit. Lean over and talk to him. Tell him.
Hey, Orbit. It's okay, Orbit. You're gonna be fine. Yeah. You're gonna be good. When you get done, we're gonna get you some treats, okay? Alright? Yeah, you snapping your lips. You want some treats, huh? So we'll give you some when you get done.
My cats are addicted to treats. I think every time we go in the kitchen, they're supposed to get a treat.
I'll rub your neck. He loves being rubbed under his neck.
I want you to hold him.
Or just hold him?
Yeah, because he's gonna.
Okay, Orbit.
He might try to leave here in a second. Just hold him through it. He'll stop.
Alright, Orbit. Lay still. You be good, okay? It's gonna be alright. You're gonna have all this hair. Yeah. Before the spring comes and it all starts shedding even more. Yeah. It looks so nice. Yeah. Now he will say, probably when you get close in my private area, it's like that's kind of private on me.
Nobody likes that. I don't blame him. I don't like it either.
You're doing good, Orbit. Lay still. No one. You're okay. You're okay, Kitty. Yes, you are, Orbit.
You hold it. Watch my back leg here.
Watch your back leg.
Watch over here. I'm gonna just kind of take his leg and his tail away from so I can.
Well, you're okay, Orbit. Lay still. Behave, okay? Come on, we're almost done, Orbit. Yes, we're almost done. We're gonna be done. You be good, Kitty. Be good, Kitty, and I give you treats, okay? Okay?
Watch your hand. I need to.
Stay still.
Okay. That's what I told you. He's gonna try to leave, but you have to hold him through it.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go
Let's
back
get
down.
the hair on your face first. Okay. Now this side.
No, we're not done with this side.
Okay.
This foot and tail.
Hold it.
Good.
Stay still, Orbit.
I'm gonna put him on his shoulder. I want you to go under his chin.
On this chin.
Perfect.
Okay. Stay still, Orbit. Stay still, Orbit. Orbit, stay.
Okay, well, look right here.
Oh, look.
I need you out of my way.
Oh, okay.
Good. There.
Orbit, you
Good.
stay, okay? You
So
stay,
you got your
Orbit.
arm right where I need to
Yep.
be.
Stretch it there.
Good, good.
You stay, Orbit. Okay, Orbit, you stay. We know you don't like no one messing with your private area. So it's going to be okay. Yes, it is. Okay, stay still,
You're
Orbit.
doing good. Hold what you got.
You stay still, Orbit, you stay. You stay.
Now, this is gonna look like he's got little snow boots. I don't shave cats' arms because, or their legs, because they absolutely hate it.
Oh,
And
okay.
it kind of looks bad too.
Yeah.
It looks cuter like this.
Stay
Looks like they got
still.
little snow boots on.
Stay still, Orbit.
Do you want me to trim his nails?
You don't have any nails up front. The back.
You want me to trim the back ones?
Sure. Okay.
Hold what you got. Don't move. You're doing good.
Stay
Now,
still,
listen
Orbit.
to me. If he struggles a little, just hold him through it. Don't let go.
Don't let
He'll
go.
stop.
Okay.
If we let go every time he struggles, we'll be here all day. We need to get this done quick, fast, and in a hurry and let him get in his
Okay.
taxi cab home.
Okay, stay still, Orbit. You stay.
Do you want me to trim the pads of his feet?
Yes, if you can, a little bit. Stay still, Orbit.
Sometimes that makes them really mad too. And sometimes declawed cats are hypersensitive about their pads.
You stay, Orbit. You stay still. Okay? You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. Yes. This is the first time I've seen you.
Let him out. Let him out.
Hey. Hey. Hey, look at you, Orbit.
Seal Point Himalayan?
They call them Seal Point or the chocolate, just, chocolate tip.
He's a Seal Point.
Seal Point?
Yeah.
Yes,
Some people told me chocolate tip, some people told me a Seal Point. What's the difference?
Pretty.
What's the difference?
Chocolate tip is just a nickname.
Oh, it's just a nickname.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's a Seal Point.
Seal Point. And then I also heard, they call it a rag doll or something? Is that a
Ragdoll
nickname?
is more of a breed. A ragdoll can come in these colors, but it can also come in tabby and they come in all kinds of colors.
Okay.
Ragdolls are very.
So his birth certificate said chocolate point. So I'm gonna say put it on birth certificate.
Okay, I'm gonna go back down.
Okay,
Other side.
You
I'm
tell
gonna
me
give
what
you
to do.
this foot and tail.
Okay.
Good. And I'm gonna lay him on his shoulder, and you're gonna go up to his chin. Very good.
There, Orbit. Okay, you
We
lay
are in the
still.
home stretch now, so.
Stay still, Orbit. Okay, you're doing so good. Seal Point, you said, huh?
Seal Point, yes.
Seal Point.
There's Seal Point, Flame Point, Torty Point,
Maybe
Lynx Point.
we need to change your birth
I'm an expert
certificate.
on Siamese.
Oh, okay.
I love Siamese cats.
Yeah.
I had 2 Lynx Points in my life,
Uh-huh.
and they
You're
were 2 of my
okay,
favorite
Orbit.
cats ever.
Aw. You're
Did you know that
okay.
Siamese kittens are born solid white?
Yes. I've seen them.
And as they grow older,
They turn.
the more their points take over, and if they
You're
you see
okay,
a really, really
Orbit.
old one, they're almost as solid the point that they were.
Oh, really?
As the years go by,
You're doing good, Orbit.
points take over more and more of their body.
Uh-huh. Yes, you
So you can really almost tell how old a Siamese is just by looking at them.
Okay. Now, see, someone gave him to me when he was about a year or 2 years old because you're doing good, Orbit. She had a baby, and then she decided she didn't want him anymore, so she let her nephew have him, and I guess all he wanted to do was breed him, you know?
Oh, you can't.
So she ended up giving it to her sister, but her sister had 2 dogs. So when I first got him on, he was a mess, you know, and we've been having him
He
for
was
about.
probably an emotional mess.
Yes, he was an emotional mess. He was like a tiger, you know. So we've been having him for about 10 years.
And then the son left him a tomcat, right?
No, he kept him in a house. He just breeded.
Well, you can't breed a cat if it's not a tom.
Oh, I
A
don't know.
tomcat means an intact male cat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they have extremely strong smelling urine.
Really?
Oh my God.
All
You
I
can't-
know is
You
when
can't have a
Orbit,
tomcat.
you're okay.
Good.
You're good, Orbit. You're okay. Orbit.
And he's gonna struggle a little bit. Just
Lay
hold him.
still, Orbit. Lay still. We're almost done, okay? Lay still, Kitty. We're almost done. Yeah, we are. We're almost done. You're doing so good. Yes, you are, Orbit. You're doing so good. And when we first got him, of course, I've never had cats or dogs. You're doing good, Orbit. So I got him neutered and declawed. And he never goes outside. He's an indoor spoiled cat. You're doing good, Orbit. Yes, you are. And when we first got him, before I could get him to the vet, you're doing good, Orbit. He was so mean. And I was like, oh, if he doesn't get better, you know, this cat gotta get. Come on,
Well,
Orbit.
he was
You're
a
doing
tomcat.
good.
Tomcats are naturally aggressive.
Oh, so in other words, they would have had him let him go outside and stuff, huh?
Well, that's not necessarily true. But
Oh, no?
a tomcat is gonna be much
Yeah,
more.
Orbit. Orbit. You're okay.
Let him up.
Let him up. Oh, come on, Orbit.
Let him up. Let him up.
Good girl. There.
All right, now we're gonna do his fanny.
This
I'm
baby.
gonna have you slide your hand underneath him, and then lift him
Like
up.
this?
No, just no, underneath, just one. Just
One?
Mhm.
Like this?
Yes. Just lift
Okay.
him
Can I
up.
hold him on his head like this?
Listen to me. I'm gonna lift him by his tail.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lift his tail. I don't want to lift him by his tail. So I want you to lift him, and I'm just gonna raise his tail.
Okay.
See what
Because he
I'm
does
saying?
have back claws.
Yeah. Well, I don't.
Like so?
Yeah.
Good enough?
Good. Yes, well done.
Yeah,
You're doing
Orbit.
great. You're doing great.
Good enough?
Doing great.
Oh, you're doing great too. Thanks for telling me. Good job, Orbit. Yeah, you are, Kitty.
We're gonna get this done
Yes, you
quickly
are.
as we can. Get it over with.
Yeah, Orbit.
Okay.
Good job.
You're doing good. Hold what you got. You're doing good.
You're doing okay, Orbit. Almost done, okay, Kitty? We're almost done.
Hold
You're
what you got.
almost
Hold.
done. You're almost done, Kitty. You're almost done. Stay still,
Come
Orbit.
towards me.
Thank you. Stay still, Orbit. Stay still. Come on. You're almost. Stay still.
Okay, you can let him squat.
Let him squat.
Yeah.
Can I rub him?
Yes.
Stay still, Orbit.
And make sure this tail is good.
Look at that.
Look at this cute little lion tail. Oh my God, I love it.
You're doing good, kid. You're doing good, Orbit. Yes, you are. See? And you're not married, because when you get married, you're not going to turn red. Stay still. Okay.
Now we're gonna go over and make sure I got everything smooth up here. And after this, the last thing we're gonna do is lift him up and I'm gonna check his tummy. Make sure we got everything on his tummy.
Okay. You're doing so good, Orbit. Let me see your face. Look at me. Ooh, yeah. Let me see your face. There you are. Look at you. Do you feel better too?
He'll feel better when he gets home.
Mm-hmm. You sound better.
Okay, let's turn him around this way. And I'll get you to lift him up like you were saying you could do.
Like this? Oh, I gotta stand
Arms.
up. Okay. Let me stand up. Oh, my knees are bad. Yeah, my kitty. Yeah.
Can you hold him by his arms?
Those arms?
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Okay, I got it.
Always some sneaky
Yeah,
hairs on the tummy.
yeah. Okay. You're doing so good. That's all.
Hold what you got.
Yeah.
You're doing good. You're doing
Stay
good.
just like that, Orbit. You stay good. Stay still. You stay still, okay?
Does he like to have his tummy rubbed?
His tummy, yes. His balls and the.
Okay, let him down.
Let him down?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Let's check the front.
Yeah, you look nice.
There's a whispering behind you on the wall. Other side.
Left, right.
Right here.
Ooh, Orbit, look at you. You got a little tail.
Alright. I'm just going to touch this mane up a little bit.
Thank you very much. You're okay, Orbit.
You hear that sound?
You're okay, Orbit.
He's just about had it with me.
You're okay.
He's starting to growl.
You're okay.
I'm going to scuff him for just a second. I'm not going to hurt him. Just 1 second. I want to make sure this is yes. You are so handsome.
Oh, look, Orbit.
You are so cute.
There you are, Orbit.
God, I love those blue eyes.
Yeah. Look, Orbit. Say
All
nice.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, Mommy, what do you think?
Let's see, Orbit. Look, let me see. Let me see.
Does that look even? Is that short enough?
Oh, that's perfect. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me get this. You want me to show you how to trim his nails?
I've never done them. Normally when he gets grooming, I think he'll let you do it.
Let me show you. This is the best thing to use. See this? Good old fashioned human nail clipper.
Okay, you don't have any in front. Just the back.
Yeah.
Orbit. Okay.
Alright, sweetie.
Orbit.
You're gonna put his tail between mine. See that?
Yeah.
No, you
Look,
can't
Orbit.
twist the leg.
Look, Orbit. Can I give him a treat?
No, not yet.
Just like, but that won't make them sharp. That's
No.
an even cut. Orbit. Look, Orbit.
Look, he's got white tips on his toes. He's got cream on these toes. Hand that to me.
Orbit, look. You're almost done.
Thank you.
You're almost done, Orbit. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave you.
There we go.
Yeah, come back. Turn around, look at the camera. Let's show how pretty you are. Go, Orbit.
Oh,
Orbit, stop.
he is a pretty boy. Yes, he is.
See, look. Look up.
So, Orbit is a little bit of silk on him. Is that good with you?
Uh-huh.
And a little bit of hot buttered rum. How's that?
Look, Orbit. See? You okay? Ooh, you're gonna smell so good.
He's gonna walk around the house holding his tail up with his little lion hoof on the end.
You smell so good.
His tail matches his head now. He's got a lion head and a lion tail.
Good. You look so much better.
Are we good?
You too. Yes, we are really good. Well, at least you're not too mad though because your eyes aren't bad. Yeah. And we just leave that stuff, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I scissored it. I blended it. It'll look like you've got little snow boots on it.
There you go, boy. Yeah.
Okay. Orbit, you ready to get the taxi cab home?
You want a treat, Orbit? Can I give him a treat?
He's probably not gonna want it. He
Yeah.
just wants to get back in here
You
now.
want to get back in here? Let's see. Come on.
Come on, I got it.
You got it? Oh, Orbit. You think you might want one? I got you a treat. Oh, well, you done so good.
His treat to
Oh,
go
yeah.
home.
No, you don't want it.
These two. Well, he'll eat it when
When
just
he get
keep it-
home.
Keep it for him. He'll eat it. when he gets
Uh-huh.
home.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So if I come back through here, next year, because we're
That'll,
snowbirds,
you can brush the hair off your shirt with that whisk one. It works really well.
we're snowbirds, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I know where to stop off at. We have a
Yes,
son
ma'am.
who lives over there in, is it Flower Branch?
Uh-huh.
So he had us out on one of his boats today.